morning, Brianne.
Good morning, Amanda. Yes, we do actually have a little bit of a sunnier start for New Brunswick. We are going to see some cloud coverage as well as some rain coming into the region a little bit later this afternoon into the early hours of this evening. We're seeing that rain start to clear in Cape Breton this morning and that sun increasing throughout the day. We're also going to see an increase in sunshine in Prince Edward Island and mainland Nova Scotia, though tonight we will see some scattered showers coming through the region around midnight. As for temperatures, pretty average. We're looking at 14 in Fredericton and Charlottetown. 15 is your high in Halifax. It is that time of day when people are heading out and about to work, so just take that into consideration if that is your route this morning. As we take a look here at our radar and satellite this morning, well, we're still seeing a few scattered showers hanging around parts of Cape Breton, but again, that low pressure system basically moving eastward into Newfoundland for today. Now, speaking of Newfoundland, we do have a wind warning in effect, so continuing until noon, and what we're seeing is southeasterly gusts up to 100 kilometers per hour. So these are significant wind gusts that Environment Canada is issuing this warning. We could see between 70 to 100 throughout the course of this morning. So if you can stay put, please do. Of course, you can always check Environment Canada for an update on that. As we head throughout our morning, we're starting to see some of that rain heading into Newfoundland and Labrador. We're going to see some scattered showers coming through the region as well later this afternoon. So we're going to have a little bit of a sunnier start to the day, which is a nice way to begin here on this Wednesday. But then we do have some more low pressure coming into the region. So around that late afternoon, early evening, we should see those showers coming through in New Brunswick as well as western parts of Nova Scotia. It's going to continue into Prince Edward Island and the rest of Nova Scotia around that midnight hour. We should start to see things clear as we head into Thursday, but as we take a look here at what our rain outlook looks like for the next 24 hours, mostly trace amounts, so not a huge amount of accumulated rain for the Maritimes. Again, the majority of that accumulated rain in Newfoundland and parts of Labrador. Speaking of those wind gusts, we are continuing to see those into the noon hour, and then those winds switch direction, which is why that advisory is going to be lifted around that noon hour. Of course, we do have to continue to see what our sustained winds look like. We're seeing an increase, of course, Ile de Madeline, Sydney, over in Stephenville and St. Pierre, but not a whole lot of gusting wind to contend with. We are continuing to track Milton, which is currently a Category 5 hurricane. So as it heads into Florida late this evening, early Thursday morning, we are going to see it be a Category 4 as it makes land. So this is something we'll continue to watch as we head throughout the day. For the Maritimes, we're looking at pretty average type temperatures. Again, that rain coming in a little bit later this afternoon. 14 on Prince Edward Island. We'll see that rain around that midnight hour. Same with over in Cape Breton. 15, pretty average for this time of year, and that 15 continuing into mainland Nova Scotia. Pretty average type temperatures for Labrador as well as into Newfoundland.